What if I told you that few cars have left a legacy as impressive and mysterious as the BMW M1? This car was BMW's bold declaration to the world that it was venturing into uncharted territory, demonstrating innovation, ambition, and racing tradition. But how did this ambitious project come to life? And why did it end so soon? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the fascinating story of the BMW M1. The 1970s were an electrifying era for the automotive industry. Supercars were taking the world by storm, and names like Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Porsche were defining speed, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. For car enthusiasts, this was the golden age of exotic machines that blended powerful engines with jaw-dropping design. BMW, a brand known for its sporty luxury sedans and engineering excellence, watched this revolution with keen interest. Entering the supercar market wasn't just a strategic move for BMW, it was a bold statement to solidify their place among the greats. BMW's management wanted to create a car that would compete head-to-head with the best of the best and showcase their engineering prowess. But building a supercar from scratch was a massive undertaking, even for a company as innovative as BMW. They needed expertise, and they needed it fast. The solution? Collaborate with an expert. BMW turned to Lamborghini, a company renowned for its expertise in building exotic, high-performance vehicles. The plan was clear. Lamborghini would develop the chassis and manufacture key components, while BMW focused on its engineering strengths, like developing the powertrain. At first glance, this partnership seemed like a match made in automotive heaven, German engineering precision meeting Italian design flair. However, reality had other plans. By the mid-1970s, Lamborghini was in dire financial straits, grappling with mounting debts and operational hurdles. The project that started with optimism soon faced delays. Lamborghini's financial instability threatened to derail the M1's development completely. BMW was left with two choices: abandon the project or take full control. With the determination that characterizes the brand to this day, BMW decided to forge ahead alone. They took the reins of the project, restructured development, and committed to seeing the M1 through. It was a race against time and adversity, but BMW's engineering team pushed forward with a level of tenacity that would come to define the M1. Finally, in 1978, after years of overcoming roadblocks, the world got its first look at the BMW M1. This car wasn't just a machine. It was a testament to perseverance, creativity, and sheer willpower. The M1 silhouette featured sharp angles, a low-wide stance, and a design that made it look ready to leap forward at any moment. Pop-up headlights added a touch of drama that defined 1970s supercar styling, while vents and slatted rear louvers hinted at the M1's racing pedigree. It was a design that turned heads and commanded attention, but the M1 wasn't just about aesthetics. It was built for performance. Giugiaro's design was functional, engineered to enhance aerodynamics and improve stability at high speeds. Every line and angle served a purpose, helping the M1 achieve remarkable handling capabilities. It was a rare combination of art and engineering, where form and function coexisted harmoniously. And then there was the heart of the M1, the legendary M88 inline-6 engine. This 3.5-liter power plant was born from BMW's motorsport expertise, featuring mechanical fuel injection, dual overhead camshafts, and individual throttle bodies. The result? A road-going version that churned out an impressive 273 horsepower and 243 foot-pounds of torque, figures that were highly competitive for the time. The M88 engine was not just powerful, it was innovative. The use of advanced technology such as individual throttle bodies ensured better throttle response and overall engine efficiency. It was an engine that would go on to power some of BMW's most iconic performance cars, including the E24 M6 and E28 M5. It's no exaggeration to say that the M1's engine laid the foundation for decades of BMW's high-performance success. On paper, the M1's performance figures were impressive. A 0 to 60 time of just 5.6 seconds and a top speed exceeding 160 miles per hour. But the driving experience was where the M1 truly shone. It combined raw power with precision handling, making it a car that thrilled drivers and challenged their skills. The M1 was more than a car. It was a statement of what BMW could achieve when it dared to dream big. But BMW didn't just want the M1 to be admired from a distance. They wanted it to be experienced at full throttle on the racetrack. However, the M1 faced a significant hurdle when it came to homologation for Group 4 racing due to production delays. To overcome this challenge and keep the momentum alive, BMW took a creative approach that would capture the attention of motorsport enthusiasts everywhere. In 1979, BMW launched the M1 Pro Car Championship, a one-make racing series that put the M1 center stage and featured some of the world's best drivers. Picture this: Formula One legends like Niki Lauda and Nelson Piquet piloting identical M1s, battling wheel-to-wheel in a series that preceded major Grand Prix events. It was a dream scenario for motorsport fans and an ingenious marketing move for BMW. The Pro Car series wasn't just a race, it was a spectacle. Held as a support event before Formula One races, the series brought unparalleled excitement to race weekends. The sight of world-class drivers pushing identical M1s to their limits was electrifying. The cars roared down the track, their M88 engines screaming, and the competition was fierce. For drivers, competing in the Pro Car series meant showcasing their skills in a car that demanded respect and precision. Driving the M1 in the Pro Car series was like taming a beast. It had power, character, and a rawness that rewarded skilled drivers but punished those who underestimated it. One Pro Car participant famously remarked, "The M1 had a way of reminding you that it was no ordinary car. It was a test of skill, a pure challenge." Although the M1 didn't go on to dominate endurance racing as BMW had originally intended, the Pro Car series solidified its place in motorsport history. It showcased BMW's dedication to performance and innovation and highlighted the M1's potential when pushed to the extreme. The series became a beloved chapter in racing lore, and for many it's what cemented the M1 as a true legend. Despite its brilliance and potential, the M1's journey was packed with challenges. Lamborghini's financial instability during the development phase set the project back significantly, forcing BMW to pivot and find new partners and solutions. These delays were costly and complicated the M1's entry into competitive racing. By the time BMW was ready to roll out the M1, the automotive landscape had shifted. Competitors like Ferrari and Porsche had released models that were faster, more refined, and already gaining market traction. The late 1970s also brought economic uncertainty and fuel crises, leading consumers to think twice about purchasing high-performance supercars with low fuel efficiency. Marketing the M1 in this climate was difficult. It was an engineering marvel, yes, but it came with a hefty price tag and entered a market that was rapidly evolving. While it captured the hearts of car enthusiasts who appreciated its unique design and racing spirit, it struggled to find a broader audience. Production ultimately capped at just 453 units, including both road and racing versions. This limited production run solidified the M1's status as a rare collector's item, but also meant it would never achieve financial success for BMW. Still, the M1's legacy was far greater than its sales numbers suggested. The M1 may not have been a commercial triumph, but it laid the foundation for the BMW M division, a brand within a brand that would become synonymous with performance, precision, and engineering excellence. The M1's DNA can be seen in nearly every M car that followed, from the E30 M3 to the modern M8. Its mid-engine layout influenced the design of other performance vehicles, and the M88 engine continued to inspire future powertrains. For car enthusiasts and collectors, the M1 is more than an icon. It's a legend that embodies BMW's ambition and resilience. Owning an M1 today is like holding a piece of history, a testament to a time when BMW dared to push boundaries and create something truly extraordinary. Today, the BMW M1 is revered as an object of fascination. With only 453 units ever made, it's one of the most sought-after collectibles in the automotive world. Auction prices regularly soar past $1 million, and the M1 remains a centerpiece at car shows and classic events. Its cultural impact is undeniable. The M1 has appeared in video games, films, and documentaries, reinforcing its status as a symbol of innovation and art. Whether it's racing down a digital track or being admired at a prestigious auto show, the M1 continues to captivate new generations of car lovers. To see an M1 today is to experience a rare moment where nostalgia and awe intersect. And for those fortunate enough to drive one, it's a visceral reminder of the passion and ambition that created it. In the grand tapestry of automotive history, the BMW M1 holds a special place, a symbol of audacity, innovation, and perseverance. Born from an ambitious dream, tested by adversity, and immortalized through its legacy, the M1 is proof of what's possible when engineering meets passion. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you ever seen an M1 in person? Maybe you've driven one or dreamt of owning one. Share your thoughts, memories, or favorite M1 moments in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more videos about automotive legends. Thanks for watching.